Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I made this video for doing my English assignment for my last evaluation. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Mae. I'm from C4 of Manajemen and I was born on 8 April 2002. I am a second daughter and I was live in Arjasari. My hometown is really beautiful. If you want to see my village, just watch this video.
Arjasari, sebuah nama desa di ujung kota, dikenal karena menyimpan begitu banyak peristiwa sejarah, juga adat yang masih dilestarikan hingga masa kini. Deretan pegunungan yang menjadi tempat peristirahatan bangsawan. Perkebunan teh yang kini menjadi pemukiman tetap memberi kesejukan untuk warga sekitar. Jauh dari hingar-bingar perkotaan, namun tak membuat namanya hilang di telan zaman. Tempat yang begitu nyaman hingga sering disinggahi oleh sesiapa yang ingin menikmati kesejukannya.
It's really nice here. We have a good air for take a breath. This place is place for healing. But when I have an online class, it's really challenging. Why? Because it's really hard to find signal, and it's very problem for me. But I really enjoy in this place. My daily life as a student. First, I wake up in the morning for subuh pray, and then I got to help my mom for doing some cleaning home until 9 a.m. I think. But I have no class in the morning. But if I have study in the morning, I have to carry my mom first to the market. And in the market, I bought some yellow rice for my breakfast. It's so delicious. And then I study until the class is over. And after study, I got break. I have to take a bath and do some pray. And in the night, I'm doing for some homework. And after that, I'm going to sleep. So what I have to do in my free time? It's a lot of things that I have to do in my free time, like listening to the music, watch drama, movie, and I like to singing, and I like to cooking. I love experience with food, so that's why I like to eat, and I got my fat. And I got these chubby chicks. And sometimes every Sunday morning I'd like to play badminton with my friends, but it's fun, but I feel lonely because the girl who's play is just me. All my friends is boy. But that's okay, I enjoy the game. Okay everyone, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry if there's any wrong word or any wrong conversation from me. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you, bye!